The online trading market attracts numerous traders because it's fast, convenient, and profitable. Traders who are just starting out often find themselves wondering what to invest in, when to buy, and when to sell. Social trading aims to solve the problem of prior knowledge required for new traders, giving them an additional tool to make decisions through experienced traders. In the next few paragraphs, we will teach you what social trading is, what its advantages and disadvantages are, how to use it, and some points to pay attention to. Come learn to use social trading for your own benefit. The traditional system works as follows. A trader connects to a brokerage service through a trading platform, and on the trading platform he determines what, when, and how many shares to buy or sell. Many traders find it hard to make significant profits because in order to use the traditional system, knowledge is required in a broad range of topics, including the psychology of trading, portfolio management, fundamental market analysis, and technical analysis, as well as experience. The first advantage of the social trading system is that all traders reveal and share their investment portfolios. Their market decisions are shared with all members of the community, providing a wealth of information on the nature of their investments. Each community member can mark successful traders and copy their investment actions. From the moment the instructions are given to copy a particular trader, all the copying trader has to do is wait until the copy trader performs a trade. Note that at any stage the copying can be changed or stopped, thereby discontinuing the reliance on the copy trader throughout the transaction. An additional advantage is that the copying is done in proportion to the size of the investment portfolio. For instance, if the account of the trader that I decided to copy is worth $10,000 and my account is only worth $1,000, that is 10% of the value, in a case where the copied investor initiates a transaction valued at $500, a corresponding transaction will be initiated in my portfolio at 10% of that value, or a total of $50. This way, the investments retain their proportion and are tailored to your economic situation, and it is therefore very important to learn the nature and proportion of the copy trader's investments to try to learn the percentage that he trades for each transaction in proportion to his entire portfolio, since this proportion will be retained in your portfolio. This system possesses two particular disadvantages as well. The first disadvantage is the lack of the experience of investing. With its adrenaline rush and the excitement that comes from trading in the traditional system, each trader chooses his own trading strategy. An additional disadvantage is that the copying trader must rely on the past investment activity of the copy trader without knowing what his future activities will be. This is kind of a risk, but logically speaking, the copied investor is at least as motivated to make a profit as you are, and if a correct analysis is made of the past trading activity of the copy trader, the risk is even smaller. The social trading platform shows you a list of traders and data regarding their trading portfolios. Information that is displayed includes primarily profit rates, successful transaction rates, division of investments among different assets, number of copying traders. The list can be filtered as necessary, and preferred traders can be selected. Before choosing a trader to copy, it is a good idea to look at his portfolio over various time periods and make sure that the trader employs a strategy that is relevant to your own trading situation. When you find a trader to copy, select the trader and determine the amount you want to invest. Here, I'd like to point out and remind investors that it's very important to follow financial management protocol. Basically, it's advisable to risk only a portion of the sum of money available to you, so that you don't lose all of your money in the event that a copy trader loses in his transaction. For new traders, it's advised not to risk more than 15% for all investments. More experienced traders can invest 30% of the entire sum available to them. Each copy trader can be allocated a different sum of money, subject to your discretion. Remember that there is no such thing as a trader who never loses. Everyone loses at one time or another, but the excellent trader is one who keeps losses low and profits high. Therefore, it is important to remember that the copy trader will lose on occasion, but that does not indicate an unsuccessful trader. Now, after the instruction has been given to copy, the only thing left to do is to watch your copy trader operate. Copy traders can always be tracked. The invested amount can be changed and tracking can be canceled. Using the system, you utilize the knowledge and experience of experienced, successful traders and use them for your own investments. In order to start social trading, simply sign up for the service. A demo account can be created where the trading is identical to real trading. Using the demo account, you can invest without risk, practice, and learn the best way to participate in the social trading network. The moment you feel sufficiently safe, you can make the move to a real account and start enjoying real trading with real money. Of course, you can start by investing small sums at the beginning and gradually increase your investment portfolio. As time passes, you will learn how to make use of social trading in a better, more efficient manner. Good luck in your social trading.